Things got worse on September 11th of 2017 when the Nam Ao Dam burst after days of heavy rain. The flood covered farming fields with mud, destroying entire crops that the farmers had just planted. Some onlookers from a cliff overhead witnessed the water's power that day. We can assume the dam failed only moments before. Muddy water rushes down the river and eventually floods the worksite. A backhoe tries to reverse away from danger while two more drivers lay on their horns. But their efforts are to little avail as the water quickly washes their cars away, leaving them to wait until the flood subsides. 2 years after the collapse, 60 families affected by the flood were still awaiting compensation.